Buffalo has announced some exciting news at CES, and of course they're always doing neat things. Vice President of Sales for Buffalo Technology is Ken Higgins. Ken, always a pleasure to have you back.
Always a pleasure being with you, Dave.
How are you?
I'm doing fantastic.
Good. And what new and exciting things are you guys talking about here this week?
This has been a really fast and furious week. We started off at Macworld on Monday, got to CES on Wednesday.
We can relate.
And we're announcing 13 products overall, so we probably need about an hour and a half to talk.
Yeah, sorry, we only have a few moments. But we'll catch up with you anyway. But what can we cram in to the next few minutes to make sure we cover the big stuff?
Well, I think the big announcement this week is the fact that we've relaunched wireless.
Relaunched.
So
nice.
For those of you who may be aware, we had a little injunction problem we were sued back in October of 2007. Mm-hmm. We got the injunction stayed.
Good.
And now we're back on track, and we're going to be launching 7 wireless products in the U.S. In February.
And what would those products be among?
Well, we've got 2 high-powered routers.
Nice.
We've got a 300N router that's extremely high-powered. It's got Gigi Ethernet on all 4 ports. We've got quality of service button to where you can stream movies through it without any problems with dropping frames or clicks.
Yeah. Or maybe you want to assign a VoIP to it, whatever.
VoIP
right?
to it.
Yeah.
3 antennas. 1 internal and 2 external. So you get that multiple in, multiple out capability, so you can get higher performance and throughput.
Yes. So is that what those 3 antennas are for? I always just thought it was decoration.
Exactly. And the other kind of exciting product we've got is a Ethernet kind of a bridge product that basically allows you to take that island of media servers, etc. If you have a little TV set, DVD player with an Ethernet port, now you can put them all into a little adapter and then do wirelessly from that particular island over to your router.
Really? So you're kind of helping us in a convergent way, I guess, get it all together.
Instead of my house where I poke a hole in the wall and drag a wire through the wall, right?
Now, I'm also hearing something about 802.11g. Is that kind of, in a sense, taking a step back but solving some problems for folks?
It solved some problems. We were famous when before 2007 October on a wireless
Before that
G
little
products.
injunction
For
thing.
the little injunction thing. We had a high-powered wireless G. And it has this thing called DDWRT, which is what the people like to hack into it. And so people can actually remove our firmware on this device and put their own firmware on it. So a lot of customers, a lot of these gearheads out there like to take my product and change it.
Really?
So it's very powerful, so they can broadcast over the neighborhood or something. I don't know.
Sounds like you need injunctions.
Something like that.
Oh, gee. But the fact is, once they buy it, then you don't warranty it anymore. I guess people do what they want with various products.
Hack away.
Yeah, hack away. And not that you're encouraging that, so that they have their own WiMAX in their whole community.
Exactly.
That's a whole different ballgame, but it is, in fact, a super hybrid kind
high
of
performance,
a
built-in amplifier to really get the signal out. So for people who have 3-story houses or kind of a weird configuration, a great product to get the signal through the home.
Gotcha. So now, in addition to bringing wireless back, that ought to be a song. It's like you're bringing sexy back. You're bringing wireless back. Of course, Buffalo Tech also very well known for all their very good storage things.
Correct.
We got all these terabytes now of our videos, like the one you may be watching now.
Correct.
From all of our interviews here at CES, and of course audio, and we've all got music lists, and everybody builds these libraries of incredible entertainment, let alone businesses that have important data and much more of it now. So in a remaining couple of minutes, tell me what's cooking with Buffalo Tech and all the neat storage capability.
Yep. We've had the League Station Quad launch about 2 months ago, and that's the first consumer 4-disc array, 4 terabytes for like $1,000, so really cheap. But it's got RAID 5 configuration, and RAID 5 means you have basically the best of both worlds. If one whole drive fails in the configuration, you've got all your data there. So it's a great thing to have for the home user. And people today want to manage their photos and their videos and all those personal files. For $1,000, 4 terabytes is priceless when you think about the value of that content that you have on the system.
For sure. And you find that more and more customers are saying we need more storage, and we need more backup. And of course, one thing for years that you've always talked about on the shows is backup. Because even as a drive manufacturer, storage capacity folks and everything else, you say they're devices and they're going to fail. There's going to be a power spike from your local power company, whatever. There's going to be some issue that's going to cause a problem.
Exactly.
Backup. And of course, especially network storage, you've got some great capabilities to say, here's all your goodies, but don't put them in one place, as we personally learned the hard way.
Always have another copy.
Yes.
It's not a backup permanent, it's a copy.
Yep, good point for all sorts of things. Well, then what's next for Buffalo Tech that we can chat
Well,
with
we'll let you know real quick. We've got everything we've talked about today and more. We've set up a special internet site on our server. If you go to internetbuffalotech.com, internet.buffalotech.com, use the login name of Buffalo at buffalotech.com, use the password Buffalo1, capitalize the B. All the data sheets, all the information from the show are there for our users to listen to.
Okay. Well, hopefully we'll put an easier link on your main page, because I'm confused, and we're
It's
here.
A secret.
It's a secret. Oh,
but you can post it on your website, right?
We'll do that. Make sure Rob's team gets it. So there you go. So visit our site, and we'll get you to that special long, convoluted Buffalo Tech link of whatever it is, and get you all the details of all these cool new things. Glad to know that Buffalo's back wireless, among other things.
It's going to be great. It's going to be great.
For sure.
We have a big following. It's going to be great.
Love it. Well, let's get together for a cigar. We'll celebrate.
Absolutely. We'll do that.
Okay. Ken Higgins with Buffalo Technology. It's buffalotech.com. Very easy to get to. And we'll help you with that long, convoluted one. Trust us. At intotomorrow.com. Come by and check out the video of Ken, and we'll get that link to you as well on that show page. Don't go away.